No, comrades, it is a morning. Comrades, omunye owabantu okwamele simlwele simkhulumele siloku ukuthi athole ijustice uadvocate Tifo. Wamele simlweleni South Africans uadvocate Tifo. Wamele simeni as one and fight for uadvocate Tifo. And I say this because of you would know many of these things ekuthi seziyaphuma manje nezinye ukuthi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukhuluma ngazo uzikhiphile are the things ekuthi uadvocate Tifo wakhuluma ngazo wasiwona but uyewathathwa njengomuntu ogulayo uyewathatha njengomuntu ukuthi ngathi ulahlekelwe ikhanda. You know, even one of the leader of the other political party that I won't say by name, we are sangana uadvocate Tifo. But now that General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has confirmed, and some of the things that he has alluded are the things that uadvocate Tifo told us. Nati, as South Africans, I think it would be good that we stand with advocate Tifo. You would know the challenges that he went through by revealing some of these things. You would know the challenges that he went through. So it's about time. Even the way he was arrested at court, it was the first time Sbona into efana leo ienzagala. So it is about time also that we seek justice for who advocate Tifo. It is about time because of it's not good the way he was treated. And as I say, why also we should seek that justice is because of those things are now proven all this time. So justice for advocate Tifo, we must be 100% behind him. We must stand with him. Amandla.